Shweta herself is a very good tarot reader, and she has been learning with me for pretty long and so many things. So it was a time which I saw a lot of changes in her when she took it up, and she was going through something. I said, "You start doing this, you will see the changes in her life." And she can herself now come on and say she has an amazing soul, evolving soul, and let her be her own testimonial to whatever is going on.
Hi,
Yeah.
Shweta, welcome in.
Namaste, Neelu. Namaste, everybody on the call. It's a pleasure to be here. We call Sangamitra ji as SM Ma. She really nurtures us like a mother. I've been closely associated with her, and for every small query, had something been missing in the house or anything, and we are like, I'm at her back reaching out, and she would do the divination for us and guide us through. And I felt very good connect with it. And Rama is the last Lord or God I ever prayed to, because I'm morely associated with Shiva prayers and Baba prayers. But he came and he changed the life. When I started doing this divination technique, particularly very sincerely for last 2 months, my life started changing. I could unfold what has to be healed. I must say, the things which needed to surface had surfaced and they were being cleansed. I've improved personally, and we all want money. And definitely, I was in a very bad financial state. But as I started, I mean, I would say, I started embracing this divination technique for my guidance and for people at home and neighborhood. I started getting more. I'm a home care physiotherapist. So my clients improved, my finances improved. So that's one major aspect that has improved. And I've always suffered with health issues. But touchwood, it's 20 days since I am not on a single painkiller. That's the biggest achievement I can vouch. So this Rama Oracle has brought in that change. Every day, once I'm done with my work and I sit and I calmly meditate, I pull out a card for myself, and sometimes I test the cards by pulling out the card at the end of the day and see how the day went. But your day is reflected on the guidance. You can connect it very well. Yeah, people who want to join for self money, definitely. I'm also still in the beginning of making money. So yeah, please do join. For health, it improves. My relationships improve because, as I said, Ramayana I've seen on the TV, but it was never connected to my heart. And my relationship with my sibling improved. I'm much calmer. I started respecting my dad. I and my dad was like mongoose and a snake. No, we do fight on a very surface level, but the relationship with my dad has improved quite a bit. Once I started respecting what he has done for us and what he has done for the family, definitely my life started improving. It's the same with the mother. For me, my mother was like the trigger. Now we all live together, but no much bomb photo types incidents at the home. So yeah, your relationships change. Yeah, we all put the spirituality at the last. Obvious reasons, we are all humans, but then I can feel a better spiritual ascension and connect now. I would sit through meditations most of the time, sleep off with SM, but then my connect has improved, my clear has improved. Like when SM was pulling out cards for the others, I could see what card would come or what card. That has improved over just 2 months. And I would say I missed even 10 days. Maybe I've done sincerely for 50 days. In 2 months, I might have done sincere connect with the cards for 50 times. But then it has changed my life quite a bit. I'm looking forward for the change it's going to bring and the blessings 2025 would bring in with more as I go ahead and do revise this course with the upgrades and all. I wish everybody a very blessed workshop, and you must join if you can, and definitely it'll bring in a lot of change. I've done many other courses with SM, but this course has picked me versus I picking the other courses. So yeah, definitely I recommend. And I have changed. All other other classmates of mine are who are on the call can see how calm I am now. Thank you so much for bringing me in. Thank you, SM. Thank you, Neelu, and thank you,
Thank
Mr.
you so
Clovis.
much. Thank you so much. That was awesome.